It's outside right now, 71 degrees outside. We've got cloud cover. We had a couple of thunderstorms rolling right over the heart of downtown. They have since dissipated, but we still have wet weather nevertheless. High temperature today, 76 degrees, just above our average of 72, nowhere near that record of 95. Well, we got snow showers up in the New England states, but coast to coast, the weather relatively quiet. So this is one of the main focal points wherever you go. The big rain shield, which actually looked so much more impressive. You'll see it at the beginning of the loop. A lot of yellows, oranges, and reds quickly replaced by green. So now that we're starting to get a little bit of cooling at the low altitudes, we're losing the daytime heating. We're seeing a lot of the thunderstorms encounter a more stably stratified atmosphere. So you're seeing a lot of this stuff break apart. We do have a couple of isolated embedded thunderstorms just off to the west of the 35 corridor. They are also moving out and dissipating. We've got the circulation right on top of us. You can almost make out that counterclockwise swirl directing traffic here with all the thunderstorms. But again, what we're going to see overnight is not going to be a persistent rain, but rather periods off and on of light to moderate showers. We could get a couple of brief heavy downpours. That was the case. We had that one quick thunderstorm cell very quickly move across the downtown area. Meantime, we haven't seen that much over the past 24 hours. Anything in blue, trace up to about 1/4 of an inch. Anything in green, upwards of an inch. And we could see a general 1 to 2 inches. But here's the good news. Current watches and warnings, we don't see anything and nothing really anticipated. Here's the severe weather threat or the lack thereof for tonight into tomorrow. The area in green, that's where there is that slight, or in this case, marginal threat for severe weather. Over here, that means we're not expecting anything severe. Just a couple of isolated thunderstorms will be possible. Really wet weather is going to be the primary threat. 71 here, 71 Bernie, warmer to Del Rio, 77 over there where the daytime heating was more significant. The winds, not so significant other than the direction. The southeast bringing in that Gulf moisture, elevating the dew points, giving us all the ingredients we need for showers and thunderstorms both tonight and tomorrow. But it looks like the pattern quiets down Sunday, so I think we will salvage the second half of that weekend. And then it looks like high pressure goes right back in Monday through Wednesday, maybe even Thursday, but then a little troughiness starts to develop and we could see wet weather, you guessed it, maybe once again going into next weekend. By the way, if we get measurable rain this weekend, that'll be the 4th consecutive weekend where we've had some wet weather. I know you're getting a little frustrated. I'm with you. Next weekend could be number 5. And now the computer model starts to back off of the rain over the next 48 hours. Has us in green right now. Not very impressive. That's about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. This is estimated by our computer model. 1 to 3 inches expected the farther east and southeast you go, which jives pretty well with what we see here. Now after midnight tonight, we could see a couple of thunderstorms. You see a few of them go up and really hug the eastern half of the viewing area. So that's where we could see the heftier amount of rain as we get to daybreak tomorrow. Even scattered showers and thunderstorms in the early afternoon. But then the computer model actually starts to weaken everything and even brings out the sun the farther west you go. So it's not going to be a total washout this weekend. Sunday, definitely the nicer day of the two. Low temperatures tonight, not so low. They're only going to be in the low 60s. Highs for tomorrow held in check because of the clouds and the rain. For tonight, 60 degrees on the low. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. No severe weather, but from time to time we could see pockets of heavy rain. And that's how we're going to start things out tomorrow. Scattered showers and thunderstorms at about 50% throughout the day. And then into the evening, we're going to leave in a lingering 20% Sunday morning. And then Monday through Wednesday, things are in good shape for wet weather again at the end of the 7-day. Don't forget, we spring ahead with the clocks. Chelsea Hernandez, don't forget to do that Saturday night.
Yeah.